Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus and the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro. Both pack insane power with Snapdragon 8 Elite chipsets, but which one rules in display, gaming features, camera prowess, battery life, and build quality? Will the RedMagic's blazing 120W wireless charging and dual cooling system outpace the ROG's AI gaming engine and gimbal OIS camera? Or does Asus justify its higher price with superior durability and smarter gaming controls? Stick around as we break down the specs and ask, is the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus the true king of gaming phones, or does the ROG Phone 9 Pro still hold the throne? Let's dive in, starting with the display. The RedMagic 11 Pro Plus boasts a slightly larger 6.85-inch AMOLED panel with a stunning 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2000 nits, perfect for ultra-smooth gaming and daylight visibility. Meanwhile, the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro offers a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED with an even higher 185Hz refresh rate and an impressive peak brightness of 2500 nits, enhancing HDR10 content and adaptive refresh capabilities. The ROG's Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and always-on display add durability and convenience. The key takeaway: ROG's adaptive refresh and brightness edge out for a more versatile viewing experience, while RedMagic focuses on sheer smoothness and eye protection tech. Under the hood, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with a faster 4.6 GHz CPU clock speed and the newer Adreno 840 GPU, giving it a slight edge in raw performance. The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro uses the previous gen Snapdragon 8 Elite, but still packs a powerful punch with the Adreno 830 GPU. For gamers and power users, that extra clock speed and GPU bump in RedMagic can translate into smoother gameplay and faster app handling, making it the more future-proof device. When it comes to special features, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus shines with its 120W wireless charging, a dual cooling system including a pulsating water cooling engine, and a dedicated Red Core R4 gaming chip that enhances performance. In contrast, the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro impresses with its AI-powered XSense 3.0 gameplay assistance, AI Grabber 2.0 for in-game text recognition, and the GameCool 9 360-degree SoC cooling system. Both phones push gaming innovation, but RedMagic's aggressive cooling and charging tech make it a beast for marathon sessions, whereas ROG leans into smart AI enhancements for gameplay. On the camera front, both pack a 50-megapixel main sensor, but the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro stands out with its gimbal OIS on the wide lens, offering superior stabilization for video and photos, plus a versatile telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The RedMagic 11 Pro Plus offers a more traditional setup with ultra-wide and macro lenses, but lacks the advanced stabilization tech. For creators and vloggers, the ROG's gimbal OIS and multi-lens versatility make it the better choice. Diving deeper, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus includes AI eraser and upscaling features, along with night mode and macro capabilities, catering to creative flexibility. Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro ups the ante with a 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 4.0, AI panning, and AI night vision, pushing computational photography to deliver smoother videos and better low-light shots. The ROG's camera software clearly targets pro-level content creation. Battery-wise, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus dominates with a massive 7,500 mAh cell, paired with ultra-fast 120-watt wireless charging, ideal for extended gaming without frequent recharges. The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro has a smaller 5,800 mAh battery with 65-watt wired charging, which is still fast but less endurance-focused. For gamers who hate downtime, RedMagic's battery setup is a clear win. In terms of build, both phones feature glass fronts and aluminum frames, but the ROG Phone 9 Pro uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both front and back, enhancing durability and scratch resistance. RedMagic opts for standard glass back but compensates with a built-in cooling fan and pressure-sensitive zones. If ruggedness and premium feel matter most, the ROG takes the lead. Looking at extra body features, RedMagic 11 Pro Plus offers pressure-sensitive zones with 520Hz touch sensing and a built-in cooling fan, plus IPX8 water resistance, great for intense gaming sessions, without overheating or water worries. The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro adds IP68 dust and water resistance, programmable mini LED matrix on the back for customization, and gaming triggers. Both are designed for hardcore gamers, but ROG's customizable lighting and full dust protection give it a stylish edge. Memory options show RedMagic 11 Pro Plus with a wider range, including up to 1 TB storage and a massive 24 GB RAM variant, while Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro maxes out at 1 TB and 24 GB RAM as well, but starts at higher base storage. For multitasking and heavy gaming, both are top tier, but RedMagic's lower entry point might appeal more to budget-conscious power users. Finally, price is a major factor. RedMagic 11 Pro Plus ranges from $800 to $1,080, delivering flagship specs at a lower cost. Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro commands a premium $1,300 price tag, reflecting its advanced camera tech, build quality, and AI features. The question is, are you paying for the best or just the brand?